What's up mga bro? Nagbabalik ang silip at giya ni Boss Bro. Pero dito sa video na to, makikita nyo lamang po ay puro single tip natin. So nasa sa inyo pa rin mga bro. Kung magdadagdag kayo, ito lamang po yung nakikita nating lamang nung nakaraan po pala nating single tip. Nung Wednesday is 5 out of 7 lamang po tayo. Wala po tayong axis deviation at wallop. Pero ganun pa man, naisama pa rin po natin yun sa ating giya. So ngayon, tunghayan po natin ang ating mga single tip at sisimulan natin yan dito sa ating race 1. Sa race 1, makikita po natin dyan ang numero 1 na noble touch na sasakyan ni J.A. Guse. Meron yan natala na 1.13.2. Kaya dito in-upload ko din yung mga previous fights niya.
The outside is a wallop, that on the inside is what is sent up. In the middle portion now is a bright side, and on the outside is too long this now. Last 75 meters, it's now wallop. And finally, the program opener wallop. Then comes noble touch, bright side.
Race 2, ang single tip po natin dito ay si Point of Pride. Mapapanood din natin dyan yung huli niyang takbo na napakahusay, napakagaling. Panoorin po natin.
Bisho, it's still Point of Pride enjoying a 2.5 lengths lead. One for the road now to take second alongside 30's Heritage. Anyare still in fourth, lapping Tiger, Bisho Magserbisyo and Umaapoy. And it's still Point of Pride traveling nice and easy by about 5 lengths. Heritage on the outside by the release, one for the road. Here comes Anyare in fourth position. It's still Point of Pride now by about 7 lengths. Heritage one for the road. Anyare, Bisyo Magserbisyo as they come down at the last of the day. Jomel, very sharp. Lazaro on Point of Pride now by about 10 lengths. Anyare, Heritage running by the release, Umaapoy. And it's still Point of Pride now saying goodbye. And finally, Point of Pride. Second is
Race 3 naman po, ang ating single tip is si Parisian Life na sasakyan ni JRD Ocampo. Isang impressive win din ang pinakita nito nung talunin niya sila Donya, Leoncia at Neperure. Panoorin po natin.
Position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Right behind in second now is a Runway 10. Then moving up is Neferuri. Rushing up now at the outside is Donya, Leoncia. Sabi ko na Majestic Star, sing a new song comes next is Snow White, then followed now by number 9 Freedom Lover, while Batang Kankalu now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Parisian Life is still in control by our link anyhow, and in second Neveruri. Moving up on the outside is Donya Leoncia, then followed by Runway 10, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Parisian Life by our link anyhow, and on the outside second is Neveruri. Moving up on the outside now is Donya Leoncia. Last 100 meters we have Parisian Life. Neveruri is on the outside, and finally it's Parisian Life. Neveruri.
Race 4, ang pili naman po natin dito is yung number 2 horse na si Agent Romanov. Sa single tip mo natin, uulitin ko, number 2, Agent Romanov.
With Sir William, here comes Grace Volkey trying to get close now into the line, back in fourth, Agent Romanov, then followed by Catania. Here comes Skydance. And as they race the last 600 now, clusters in front by some 2 lengths, down from the inside, Grace will keep Sir William. Here comes Catania now by the outside, 2 lengths for the back, Agent Romanov. Here comes Skydance also coming into the picture now, precise blue as they race the last 400 now. Cluster hang on, followed now by Grace will keep from the outside. Agent Romanov is done from the inside as they turn from it is still cluster and moving up. Grace will keep now by the outside. Grace will keep Agent Romanov. Skydance now on the further outside, but it's still Grace will keep by some lengths now, and finally Grace will keep second. Skydance Classer, Agent Romanov, Catania, precise move or runway 10.
Dito na tayo sa race 5 mga bro. Ang single tip naman natin dito is si Giselle Princess, na kung saan matapang tumauna. May takbo to na sumigundo siya kay Carried Away. Maganda yung pinakita. Panoorin natin tong takbo na to. Novatos run.
Out of past the half mile, the lead now belongs to Lord Bentley, racing on the outside. It's Lord Bentley, the leader, leads by head. That on the inside is Giselle Princess. Then Ponings for the back in third is Moderna and Masayang Tunay. Lord Bentley, Giselle Princess is running by the rail. It's Giselle Princess, Lord Bentley matching their strides. Then 6 lengths for the back in third is Moderna and Masayang Tunay. As they race the final turn, it's Giselle Princess by half a length over Lord Bentley. Then still in third, Moderna and Masayang Tunay. Down to the finish, Giselle Princess now way out in front over Lord Bentley, Masayang Tunay, Darori inside, and Moderna. And finally, Giselle Princess.
Race 6, dito ako lalagay sa number 5 horse na si Oruti. Matibay din to mauna. Sakay pa ni MM Gonzales. Inabot lang ni Potential to ng huling takbo. Panoorin natin yung nangyaring laban.
Adorable Belly siya, Sinag Potential, Shadow of Sipakod. And it's still Oruti just in front. Here comes Adorable Belly Shari outside second. And in third comes Potential. Oruti still in front, Dari outside. Adorable Belly and Potential. As the field turns to the last 200. And it's still Oruti, Adorable Belly siya, Potential now Ari outside. And it's still Oruti, Potential now Ari outside. Oruti, Potential Ari outside. Oh, Rudy Potential are outside. But it's still Rudy Potential. Rudy Potential. And finally is going to be close. Potential. Rudy.
Race 7 na mga bro. Dito ako lalagay sa number 5 horse na si Live Like an Angel. Tingin ko sa kanya ang bandera dito. Meron din doon takbong remate, kaya tignan natin kung anong magiging diskarte.
Everlong Raven also moving up Postmaster Live Like an Angel in 6. Then followed by Super Easy. Red still Mirror of Justice enjoying a 2 lengths lead. A success of time still in second. Everlong. Here comes Raven, Postmaster on the outside together with Live Like an Angel. But Mirror of Justice still the leader by a length. Success of time still in second. Everlong and Raven. Mirror of Justice still in front. Success of times on the outside. Everlong. And still Mirror of Justice by a length. Success of times on the outside. Everlong as the field turns for Roma. Mirror of Justice. Success of times fighting it out for the leader. Mirror of Justice is running by the rail. Success of times on the outside. But it's still Mirror of Justice. Success of times on the outside. The success of times. Mirror of Justice. Here comes Live Like an Angel on the outside. The success of times. Live Like an Angel, and finally is going to be success of times. Live Like an Angel.
Last race na mga bro. Dito naman ang silip single ko dito ay Sweet the Money. Sakay ni AR Villegas. Lagi lang to napopornada naalyalyamado pero walang ginagawa. Tingin ko ngayon na to dahil sobrang sagad na siya sa grupo. Panoorin natin yung huling takbo.
And by California King alongside, moving up is Don Lucas. That is still Super Day, then by a neck. On the outside second, still is a novel touch. Sweet the Money trying to get closer in third, then followed by Brown Pirate in fourth. California King in fifth position. It's still Super Daily, then novel touch on the outside. Sweet the Money still in third. Here comes Brown Pirate coming closer in fourth position. And it's still Super Daily, then novel touch. Sweet the Money, Brown Pirate now on the outside fourth. It's still Super Daily, then novel touch moving up now. Brown Pirate on the outside, Sweet the Money. As the field turns for home, Brown Pirate takes the lead. Noble touch on the outside second. And in third comes Sweet the Money, then followed by California King. And it's still Brown Pirate now racing away by about 6 lengths over Sweet the Money, California King, Title Noble Touch. And finally is Brown Pirate. Second is Sweet the Money.
At ayun na nga mga boss bro, natapos na ang ating silip single tip. So yun, isang mabilisang recap lang. Sa race 1, dun tayo lalagay kay Noble Touch. Sa race 2 naman, dun sa number 4 horse na si Point of Pride. Race 3, Parisian Life. Dito naman sa race 4, lalagay tayo sa number 2 horse na si Ancient Romanov. Race 5 naman, Giselle's Princess ang nakikita natin pwedeng single dyan. So sa race 6, si Ruti Di Bandera, tingin ko mananalo na. Sa race 7, si number 5 horse na si Live Like an Angel. At sa last race, dun po tayo lalagay sa number 3 horse na Sweet Damani. So yun mga bro, maraming salamat sa pakikinig at sa panonood ng giya at tip ni Boss Bro. Pagdating sa tayaan, kayo pa rin ang masusunod. Gawin nyo lamang pong gabay ang silip at giya ni Boss Bro. Muli, patuloy po nyong suportahan ang ating mini channel. Maraming salamat mga Boss Bro.